Happy Chinese New Year to all of you! Don't just stir-fry the chicken. Steam it is also delicious. This steamed chicken is tender and delicious. It has a wine aroma and a slightly spicy taste. I believe you will also like it. The original recipe uses millet chili and Sichuan peppercorns. I changed the recipe, substituted spicy sauce to ready-to-eat mala paste to match with my easy cooking style. The changes of this recipe is not only simple to make, but also delicious. Today, I'm going to make a simple and delicious peppercorn chicken. This is a steamed dish that goes very well with rice. There are 1,000 of recipe in my channel and daily recipe update for you. If you like cooking, just follow my channel so you won't miss them all. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Let's start cooking. Boneless drumstick, ginger, spring onion and coriander, chopped garlic, sliced ginger, marinate chicken with ginger slices, 1 teaspoon Shaoxing wine and cooking oil for 30 minutes. Marinated chicken in Instant Pot for 25 minutes. Let's chop chili padi while steaming chicken. Chop spring onion and place separately. Once chicken is cooked, soak in cold water for 5 minutes. Prepare seasoning sauce per description and add water to dilute it. Mix well and set aside. Chicken soup and mix well. Sliced chicken and plate it. Drizzle seasoning sauce. cooking oil, onion white, chili, and chopped garlic. 1805. Air fryer at 180 degree 5 minutes. Drizzle fried chilies and garlic oil on chicken. Place coriander on chicken and sprinkle spring onion. Beautiful tender peppercorns chicken is done. Looks yummy. Everyone can make this delicious steamed chicken dish. Give it a try and share with your family. Don't forget to save the recipe quickly. Otherwise, you won't be able to find me if you slide it away. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There are no disadvantages to eating chicken, only benefits to generally healthy people. From a nutritional point of view, chicken is rich in high-quality protein, especially rooster chicken, and also contains important nutrients such as fat, calcium, phosphorus, and iron. The nutritional value of chicken is significantly better than that of pork, beef, mutton, and other meat products. There are more CNY easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe every day. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.